This 2017 Winnebago Spirit 25B is a Class C RV. It is located in Nokomis, FL 34275 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Nokomis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 7 and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2017 Winnebago Spirit 25B is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.